welcome to Sweet Memories with me, Auntie Nico. Today I have with me two of my nieces, Jadea and Takia. Okay, so to celebrate Valentine's Day, for the remainder of January leading up to the big day, I'm going to show you so many ideas of what you can do at home with your loved ones. And to kick things off, today we're going to be making slime. That's right, so let's get started. So for this recipe, you're only going to need 5 ingredients: powdered sugar, marshmallows, icing, water, and sprinkles. The first thing you're going to do is melt down your marshmallows, which they've already done. And then you're going to take your frosting. You're only going to use a little bit of the frosting because you're only using it for the color. So we're just gonna put just maybe about a spoonful of frosting. Spoonful of frosting. Plop that right in there. Don't try to be cute with it. You're gonna take your spoon and you're just gonna mix that up. Now the water is used to loosen it up. So some people like their slime really loose and stringy, and some people like it a little bit more thick. So you see how it's really thick? So if it's really thick like that, you want to add a little bit of water to loosen it up. But you don't want to pour too much at one time. So you want to take your time and pour a little bit of water at a time. That's looking good there. So you just mix it around and mix it around.
Oh my God!
If it's too stringy, add a little bit of water. How's it looking? That's pretty. That's such a pretty color. So what's your favorite thing about Valentine's Day?
That you get to eat candy.
Yeah, I think that's pretty much everyone's favorite thing about Valentine's Day.
And
What's
get
your
to bake.
favorite?
Eating candy.
Eating candy. So obviously that's everyone's favorite thing to do for Valentine's Day.
Can you add some more water?
No, I think that might be good, Dad. Yeah. So even if you get your slime a little bit too loose, that's what we have the powdered sugar for. So that's gonna kind of firm it up a little bit. So we're just gonna add, I'm gonna help you out with this, a little bit of powdered sugar at a time. You ready? Just a little bit. Whoop, whoop. I gave you a little bit too much, huh?
Candy more.
More? Like that much more?
No.
That much more?
No.
What about that? She said she wanted more. More? Okay, so here comes the really fun part. So we have so many different cute Valentine's sprinkles that you can get from your local grocery store to jazz it up a little bit.
Look, it's cooking.
Mm-hmm. Think you might want to loosen that up a little bit, babes. Oh wait, no, that might be good. So y'all ready to add in your sprinkles?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's pretty. Oh gosh, that's so pretty. And your grandmother would love that because her favorite color is purple. You know what the best part about this is? It's so easy. As you can see, I'm not doing anything. You know, let the kids get messy. Keep my fingers clean. It's almost there. You want it to be at a consistency where you can pick it up with your hands and string it.
And actually play with it like actual slime.
Yeah. So you don't want to be too sticky to where soon as you can't even get it apart really, but you want it to be slimy enough where you can pull it apart. I want to add some other different type of sprinkles. We have so many different options.
Oh, and pink. I forgot what that was.
Which one?
Pink.
This.
The pink sprinkles.
Am I gonna put some hearts in there?
Yep.
That'd be cute. So I have 12 nieces and nephews. Every time I get the chance to, I'm coming up with different ideas for them to do with me for fun, whether that's making slime or making cupcakes or cookies or whatever. I'm that auntie that have them doing something all the time. And they love it, you know. There's nothing like spending time with family. To me, it's what I'm all about. And I really enjoy doing this with them.
It's almost done.
Mm-hmm. It's looking good, looking good. What I like to do is put a little powdered sugar on my hands so that when you do it over your bowl, sweetie, so that when you get ready to pick it up, it's not sticking to your hand so much. Rub it together. It's not fun if you're not getting messy. Woo! My bad.
It feels weird.
It feels weird. Is it soft?
Yeah.
And it's just so fun. It's edible, you know, and the kids can get in there and play with this as long as they want to. They can eat it. Don't recommend them eating it all at one time. There's a bit of sugar, but they'll sit there and they'll play with this for as long as they want to. You making mittens. Let's see who can string theirs out the longest. Do you need more powdered sugar? Kid getting ready. She getting ready. She ain't playing no games. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Let's give it a taste test.
Ready?
She already started. How's it taste? Is it good? Well, you heard it from them first. It's fun and it tastes good. It doesn't get any better than that. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. As you can see, they're going to be playing with this for the rest of the day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know what you think. What's up, guys? Welcome to Sweet Memories with me, Auntie Nico. Today I have with me 2 of my nieces, Jadea and Takia. Okay, so to start things off, oh my God!
That's not on the card. That's not on the card.
What was I reading?
I have no idea.